welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be doing my favorite technique, watercolor resist, and we are going to be drawing a character called Miffy. Now, Miffy is a rabbit. Some of you know I have a pet rabbit at home, so I love rabbits. I love drawing rabbits. So Miffy is a cartoon character, but also the artist, Tom Sachs, took that character Miffy and turned her into a fountain. And the water is coming out of her eyes as if she's crying. So we are going to be drawing our Miffy with tears coming out of her eyes as well, and a pool of water at the bottom. We're also going to be doing a really interesting technique for the background. You can do the background any color you want. You can do any of this any color you want. But for the background, you're going to choose two different colors of marker, and then we're going to paint water on top and see how those colors kind of blend and bleed into the watercolor paper. So today you're going to need watercolor paper for sure, a pencil, some crayons, watercolors, and markers. So go ahead and grab your art supplies and let's get started. Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.